Hey, what's up? Pavel here. First video of me talking to you in here. I've been encouraged by a few people from, a few friends from social media in here. Here I am. I'll stick to English. Majority of you are English speakers. Might do a Polish subtitles or a Polish version. I don't know. We'll see later on. Behind me, it's my Pontiac Trans Am, 93, 94 actual specification, 4th generation. If you're following me on social media, on Facebook, you've seen probably quite a few modifications we've done so far to the car. Without going into too many details, it's a 383 forged LT1 with cam, Trickflow, ported heads, Vortech V1 Ti supercharger, transmission 4L80E with a 3400 converter, and a quick performance 49-inch with 389 gears. Last setup was based on air-to-air intercooler. What you see now is air-to-water intercooler, less piping, less space, better flow. Got a new blow-off valve manufactured here in Poland by ProPerfect. They supplied a few different springs so we can play with settings, and it's mounted on a V-band, so swapping it's actually easy. 3.5-inch piping from filter to blower. Flow travel shortened to minimum. You can see now where intercooler is mounted. 4 or 5 times less intake piping now. You can see actually now that I don't have fog lights anymore. Holes are now slightly bigger than original, and behind I have 2 small coolers, all connected in line here. Plastic water tank for now, no leaks anymore. And the whole system has got around 12 liters, which is 3 gallons of water. Right after a tank, I have a water pump flowing towards IC, then 2 coolers and back to water tank. Forgot to mention I have also fuel cooler and the transmission cooler here in the middle, thanks to tubular front bumper support. So this is the current setup for intercooler. No more boost leaks, which is great. It keeps the temperature, works exactly as it should be. I can tell you now that the pressure drop which you would get using intercooler actually on the water to air is smaller than on air to air. So the setup works great. Let's see how it works. I'm gonna take you now to the dyno in here in Wasyl, Poland. We're going to the company called VTG. You would actually pronounce it VTG. So that's a well-known place for drag racers and drift maniacs. I'm going with Wasyl from Chester and Wasyl Garage. He's gonna be doing the final tune on my setup. He's the part of a team in here, so he's the brain behind the ideas we've got for making it faster and improving our quarter miles times. Yeah, watch this space. Let's see what's gonna be the result. 597 horsepower, 797 newton meters, which is 588 foot-pounds, 14 psi, which is almost 1 bar on a supercharger. Considering that LT1 engine from that year was 275 horsepower originally, it is actually not too bad. Best quarter mile we had last season was 12,001, 0 to 60 miles per hour, which is 100 kilometers per hour, was 4.2 seconds. 60 feet time 201, but that was before all the changes, suspension changes and the boost issues, so we're talking probably way over 100 horsepower ago. So car will be definitely in 11s. I know we'll have to deal with the traction. It was an issue on our unprepped tracks in here, and I know it's going to be the issue as well next season. We'll deal with it, we'll find a way. Next plan is to reduce some weight of the car, plus finish some other modifications. And then I can't wait to test it on the track and see what's going to be the best times now we are going to have with this setup, with this boost. So let's see how it goes. So keep watching, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Take care.